Social media giant Snapchat has gone public and has already made massive gains in its first day of trading. Haley Wooden with Business in Vancouver is joining us now. Haley, how is Snapchat expected to perform?
That's a good question. When we look at where the company is now after the first day of trading, shares up 44%. The company's worth around $34 billion US. When we compare this to, say, another tech company like Twitter, after Twitter's first day of trading, it was worth around $32 billion, very close in valuation. But today, Twitter's worth about a third of that at 11.5. Facebook also, after its initial public offering, saw its shares tumble over the weeks to come. With a company like Snap and a product like Snapchat, it has wide appeal, it's consumer oriented, high profile, and that maybe causes some of the initial demand. Over the weeks to come, it's going to be important to sort of watch how the shares fare. A lot of analysts expecting that we might see a bit of an adjustment. That said, though, for investors who got in early, it's been a pretty good week. And one such investor is actually a California high school, St. Francis High School. They invested $15,000 US about 4 years ago and cashed in 2/3 of their shares yesterday for a cool $24 million US.
That is incredible. Although I was also reading that shareholders don't get voting rights in this IPO.
They do not. The company founders plan on keeping control to themselves, which is an interesting way to do it. And perhaps for a company like Snap that's relatively new and still figuring things out, not turning a profit yet, that might be part of their business plan, and maybe they want to keep control of their vision and where they want to take the company.
All right, turning now to low-cost airlines, Vancouver-based Canada Jetlines, which many people probably haven't heard about, is planning to go public. Tell us more about this.
They are, and it won't be with a flashy IPO. It's going to be with a reverse takeover of Jet Metal. It will be trading on the TSX Venture Exchange, expected to do so March 7th. The company's tried this before, had previously ditched efforts to do so, and plans to move ahead with this one. It's going to be an important mechanism for Jetlines to raise capital, especially given that its business model is to, on average, offer fares that are 40 to 50% lower than fares at Air Canada and WestJet. Now, the question is, when is the company actually going to be offering flights? It's only said that it'll offer flights when it's ready to do so. It has put in an order for 5 Boeing 737s. They spent around $440 billion US to do so, quite a capital-intensive industry. And they plan on leasing planes if they begin to offer flights before those planes come in around 2021. So we'll see. They're hinting that there might be flights to Prince George and Hamilton, but at this point, very, very unclear.
All right, could be a bit of a wait. Haley, thanks for being with us.
Thank you.